Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up your wallpaper on your iPhone 14. With iOS 16 we have a lot of different opportunities to change our wallpaper and I want to show them. So let's start with the settings. When you are in your settings, just go a little bit down and here you have the wallpaper. I click on it and you can see here the current wallpaper. Okay, it's the same one as you can see here, and it's of course the same one here again when I'm in my wallpaper, and this is of course the same one like this one. All right, so okay, now I can customize this one. So I can customize the current wallpaper or add a new wallpaper. So I want to customize my current wallpaper. So this is the first step. So I can change here, I can click on and change here the font. Okay, so I can change it like I want to, and I can also change the colors here. All right, so it's pretty easy to change them. The second thing you can do is here to change the widget. Of course, at the moment we have here the normal time, Monday 19th of September, and I can change this to weather or to other things just like I want to. I can also click here and I can just change the widgets I want to have here at the top. So perhaps I also want to have batteries. Okay, so I want to put in a battery symbol here. Perhaps I'll put it there. You must remove a widget to add status. Okay, so I click on it and then I will put this one here. All right, so okay, I think now I'm finished, and when I'm finished I say done. All right, so now when I look here at my iPhone 14, then you can see here the battery widget. There are a lot of different widgets, and now when we go again here, you can also customize, of course, here the wallpaper. Okay, you can change the color and other things. You can also add photos, blur, and other things. But you can also add a new wallpaper here, and you cannot just add the new wallpaper here if you click on add new wallpaper, but you can also do it directly from the screen. You just press a little bit long and then you go to the next page, and here you say add new. So we just click on the plus and then you can see a lot of different cool wallpapers. So you can perhaps choose here weather and astronomy. Okay, so I'll just take this one. Allow astronomy to use your location, allow once, and you can see here, wow, that looks really cool. But I can also choose the moon and other things. All right, so this is really cool. So I click on cancel, and I can also change other. I can also take other ones. I can take emojis here, this one, so also pretty cool. And I can choose photos, of course. Let's just see for the photos. Okay, which kind of photo? I will take this one. And when I take this photo, it will take a little while, so I can just do it like this, and you can see here the ear is even here at the front from the time. So this looks really great. Okay, and then I can say add, so I can also change here the color. So this looks also really great. Look at the display, wow. Okay, I can also add widgets here. Okay, so I can add widgets here, and here 1 2 3 4, but you can see here then it isn't at the front anymore. All right, so you just have to look if it is good for your picture, for what you want to do, if you want to have it like this. Okay, I will just say add, and then when I say add, set as wallpaper pair, I say okay, and then I will have this wallpaper. But of course I can also, when I press it, I can also change to the other wallpaper. So I can change my wallpaper types like I want to. So you have a lot of different possibilities to change your wallpaper, and these look really great. You can of course do everything from here. So from here, the home, from the wallpaper here, and you can also customize it from here. So do it like you want to. iOS 16 really great on the iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.